Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. It's a little cloudy today, but it is a pretty nice day. And I wanted to bring you a really nice car. 74 Bronco, I know you've seen it before, but we're getting down to the nitty gritty. We've got there's fender flares that go on here. We just got those painted, so we're waiting for those to dry. We're painting all the trim right now. We're in the process of doing all that. But we've got to put together. We've got to do a little bit more buffing. You know, we've got some more buffing to do and get it really shiny. Roll cage in, and we painted it the same color. It's almost like a Barbie type car. You know what I'm talking about? I mean, Barbie would love it. You know, I don't know about Ken, but Barbie would love it. And we've just put the new steering column in with their wood teak steering wheel. So it's getting down to the nitty gritty. Once we get these couple of parts done, we'll put it in. The interior is already done, ready to be put in the car. It is really getting down to where we can finally get this thing delivered. And I know Michael out there is really looking forward to it. And all that's coming to you folks right here from Muscle Cars of Texas.